Hi, I'm Chandler with Dordan. Today I'm going to talk to you about plastic pollution in the ocean. Plastic packaging is targeted as the culprit, yet discarded fishing equipment, specifically fishing nets, comprises the bulk. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, that swirling black hole of plastic debris, 86% are fishing nets. But that's ocean-based plastic pollution propagated by an unregulated and illegal fishing industry. What I'm interested in is land-based plastics pollution. So we've all seen those images of clogged rivers and waterways, covered beaches and bays where you can't even see the water beneath all the garbage. Where is this coming from? So the same 4 countries in the South Pacific generate nearly 40% of all plastic entering the ocean each year: China, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. These countries lack the basic waste management infrastructure necessary to collect and dispose of the products and packaging being consumed. But it's not just their waste entering the ocean, it's ours. So for decades, America and the other wealthy nations of the world have shipped our hard-to-recycle recyclables to these nations. And this is because they are able to cheaply sort and resell this hard-to-recycle material stateside. So the likelihood that a packaging type will be recycled in America depends on economics. So if the cost of collection, sortation, and reprocessing exceeds the cost of virgin material production, then the likelihood that it's being recycled stateside is very, very small. So we have a scenario where traditionally, historically, all the materials, the multi-laminate configurations of paper and plastic, pouches, bedazzled cartons, the like, have been baled and bought by overseas buyers. So a lot of the time, this material, if it's not resold overseas, it can make its way into the natural waterways that then become ocean trash. So, this is starting to change. China has stopped accepting these imports of mixed materials for recycling. In doing so, it's forced domestic recyclers to invest in the technologies necessary to recover hard-to-recycle materials stateside. So I'm optimistic, and there's actually a lot more work being done by plastic, packaging, and consumer product stakeholders to address the issue of plastic pollution in the ocean. So I'll talk more about that next time. Thank you so much. All the necessary references and notations are included in my blog. All right, bye.